In this video, I'm going to show you to set up a header and a running head in APA style using Microsoft Word. I'm going to be using Microsoft Word 2013. If you have a different version of Microsoft Word that you're working with, it may look a little different up top in terms of the menu options, but you should still have relatively the same functionality. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to Insert, and we're come over here where it says Header, and we're going to edit Header. Right? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check this little box that says different first page, and we'll explain why that's useful. And then the next thing we're going to do is come over to Insert, Page Number. We want the page number in the top right-hand corner, right? So when we click here, it sets it up in the top right-hand corner. Now on the first page of your research paper, you want to actually have the words running head type just like that, the capital R, nothing else capitalized. And then you want to have a shortened version of the title of your paper. So if the title of your paper is already very small, probably it'll be 50 characters or less. But if for some reason the title of your paper is, 2 or 3 lines of text, you want to shorten it down to 50 characters or less. Think kind of like Twitter length, right? So let's say the title of our paper is Analysis of Depressive Disorder. And you want to have the title of your paper in all capital letters. Now, one of the big things about APA style is you need to have everything in Times New Roman 12-point font. So what we want to do is make sure that we have this set up in the header, Times New Roman 12-point font, right? And if you click right before the 1 and you hit the tab button, it should move everything over to left adjustment. And this is perfect the way it is right here. Sometimes you have to hit the tab button twice depending on what your spacing options are. So this is the first page of our paper, running head, all caps, title of our paper, page number, right? Now, if we come back down into the body of the paper and we go down to the second page of the document, you can see that the page number doesn't show up, right? That's because we clicked that thing earlier that said different first page. So what we need to do here is we need to go to Insert, Page Number, top of the page again, and you can see it automatically puts a 2 there. So we've got 1 on the first page, 2 on the second page, right? Now on the first page, your cover page, we put that word running head in there, that phrase, and then the title. After the first page, all we put is just the title of the paper. So I'm actually just going to be lazy and copy that. Come down here. Paste that in, right? And again, everything needs to be Times New Roman 12-point font. So we're going to go Times 12-point font, go right before the 2, tab. You see in that instance I had to tab twice for it to go over, right? And now our second page is set up. So we've got running head on the first page with the title, page 1, and then just the title of the paper thereafter. And if we were to click down to go to page 3, you will see title of the paper, page 3. So for every page after this page, all you're going to have is just the title of the paper and the page number. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. And again, you're on your way.